Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I'm showing you this massive fail. Yep, that's what I'm calling this. It's a massive fail. I was going to participate in a challenge video and I was making something that's supposed to look like this. I'm going to insert a picture right here. That is a chandelier that is lit up and it looks like it's twine around a ball from Big Lots. It was $70, way more than I wanted to spend for something like that. So I thought to myself, hey, I can make this myself. And this right here is where I am so far. I am going to insert a bunch of footage showing you how I tried to make this. And this is actually the day of the video that is supposed to be uploaded. And this project is a massive fail. It is not dry. It is hanging here, not dry. And as you can see, it's dented on the side because I already tried to show you in some other footage that I'm going to put in right here that you can squeeze this. I could ball it up into a little ball the size of like a baseball if I wanted to, but probably. Let me show you what happens when I actually touch it. I can squeeze this in and it just moves. It has never been solid. I don't understand why. I use Mod Podge. I used regular Mod Podge to adhere yarn to the ball. And yes, it did shrink down because it was stuck to the ball. But then when I put it back up, I put a little more Mod Podge on it. And it has been out here for 4 hours. And it won't dry. I don't know why it won't dry. Sorry, it's a little shaky. It's windy and stuff out here too. So I am calling this a massive fail, and I'm not happy about it. I can laugh at it now, but come on, this has been days on days just trying to get this to work. If you guys have made this or know of anyone who's made this and it's perfect, let me know. What am I doing wrong? I just thought I could glue this to a ball or a beach ball or a balloon and it would work. Maybe it's the size of it because it is quite large, but I was trying to mimic the one at Big Lots. That one's $70 and I have really into this about $2.88 out of pocket. The yarn is $1.77. Already had it, still have another one. I could try again. And the fairy lights, they came from Big Lots. They were on clearance a long time ago. They have some now that are about $8, I think. Maybe some are $10 if you get the longer strands like this. I'm thinking about going to get a blue strand when they go on sale or go on clearance and adding it. There are a lot of lights on this and it lights up really well. You just can't see them in this light, but I think it'll be pretty on my porch. And all the little glue spots, if you can see this extra like glue that's on there. Sorry, focus on the glue. I don't know if it's going to with the lighting out here, but it makes it look really kind of pretty and crystally, which I don't mind. That's why I'm not going to paint it in the actual brown that the other one is. But look at this. Look at how misshaped that is. That's where I grabbed it. Now that will pop back out, and I will pop it back out before I put it up. But I'm going to add some florals and a bow and who knows what else to this and try to make it work on my porch. I'm pretty sure I can make it work, but it didn't work for this video. So that is it. I want to thank you guys for putting up with this fiasco of a fail. I'm not uploading it to the playlist of the challenge that I was trying to do because, hello, this is a mess. 4 days and it never dried. I don't know what to do about it. And I am, at this point, giving up. So I want to thank you guys so much for liking. I know you're not going to like this video, but watching and always sharing my videos. Please don't share this mess. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, well, this might be why, but I think you should become a member. Maybe I'll post another disaster like this, or I'm going to post a porch tour, and I'm hopefully going to have this on my porch so you can see that I do fix it eventually. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Most of my DIYs come out fabulously. I have some spring DIYs that are out already. You might enjoy those. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you don't miss out on a video no matter what happens on it. I promise I'm going to try real hard not to have another one of these. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Oh, and also you can follow me on Instagram. I'll post some pictures of this on there too. Bye, loves. Okay, here it is out on my porch. And as you can see, it lights up really pretty. It's still a little tinted because I haven't fixed it. And the chain on it is black, and I'm going to paint it white. And I think I'm gonna add a few blue fairy lights to it because my house is blue and it is sitting above my glider, and the cushion on it is blue and white with my little bicycle pillow. So, you guys, it's still not dry. What is going on? Somebody, please tell me.